Firstly, excavate a suitable sized hole according to the load, wind region, and ground type. For root mounting, drop a slab or hard flat base in the bottom. Use the door key to remove the column door and feed any cables through ducting up to the fuse cutout. Lower into position. The column door should sit 300 mm above ground level. Get level and pack or support upright. It's now time to pour your postcrete or concrete and allow it to fully cure before continuing. Check level as it sets and be sure to wipe off any excess or splash. For bolt-down mounting, arrange the J-bolt anchors with a template. Ensure your cable duct comes through the center and surface finish is flat. Secure with nuts and washers or use 2 sets of nuts to level and raise off the pad. Now time for some lighting. Our standard street light range come in options of 76 mm entry which fits directly to a shaft. Tighten the grub screws and adjust the tilt. The shorting cap can be exchanged for a 3-pin photocell dusk till dawn sensor via the NEMA socket. Top tip, our self-adhesive anti-bird spikes eliminate those pesky pigeons and the mess they make. If in a residential neighboring area or dark sky friendly install, why not consider our light spill shield which can be fixed to the back of the column to reduce any unwanted glare. Complete any wiring into the fuse cutouts. Test the installation. A shorting cap can be used in place of the photocell for testing purposes. Close the door and lock to secure. If in an area of large amounts of low-speed traffic such as car parks, loading bays, and yards, the impact barrier surrounds can be a great way to protect and deter against low-impact damage and bumps. Place both sides around the column and tighten in place to secure. Repeat for other columns on the site like so, and remember for larger areas, our range of brackets such as twin projection arms can be used to fit multiple lights. If you're unsure what type, contact us with drawings for a free lighting design for the optimum layout and type. Sometimes floodlights are better for larger open areas. Or post top lanterns for a more decorative look. Or perhaps you're in the security sector and our range of swan necks for PTZ and dome cameras is for you. Whatever your needs, we have you covered, so contact us for a quote today.